Greetings from the UK. My name is Matthew Holyoke. I'm looking forward to coming to work with CAPP again. Working in Dubai. This is a cold morning in the UK. I'm going to be talking to you about composites, everything about composites, relearning composites. So days 1 and 2, I'm looking to teach anterior composites. I'm going to look at bonding, the importance of bonding, an overview of modern bonding techniques. I'm going to talk to you about rubber dam. I'm going to talk to you about floss ties. So important to improve your bonding and your isolation. We're going to do many hands-on exercises, class 3 restorations, class 4 restorations, class 5 restorations, canine guidance, anterior labial veneers. So everything about anterior composites over 2 days. We're going to develop and give you an in-depth finishing and polishing protocol that will allow you to create ideal restorations from day 1 when you return to your offices. I'm also going to do a posterior composites day. This will focus very much on anatomy again. Once you learn the anatomy, you'll be able to develop restorations that will need minimal post-operative attention. So less adjustments, quicker time, and increased profits and greater satisfaction for you as a dentist. Finally, I'm going to look at tooth wear, a day on tooth wear. Tooth wear is a silent disease that causes a lot of tooth tissue destruction. And you can protect teeth using canine guidance. We'll look at that in depth. We're going to look at the causes and prevention and ultimately minimally invasive treatment options using composite to restore the worn dentition. I'm looking forward to coming to Dubai, and I hope the weather is better than it is in the UK, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Thank you very much. Take care.